Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the first external display to an available port, plug power in and set the monitor input. Once connected, attach the second display with the proper adapter or docking station. Make sure your laptop is on a stable surface and not in sleep mode. You want both displays recognized. If you use a dock, power it first. Once done, open display settings so you can confirm both screens appear before moving on to arrangement and scaling. You now arrange and tune both displays. In display settings, drag the screen icons to reflect their physical positions. This makes the mouse movement intuitive. Next, select the primary display for menus and taskbars. Adjust resolution and scaling so text and icons match size across screens. Use the highest native resolution for clarity. Finally, set refresh rate and color profiles if needed. These steps reduce cursor jumps and uneven text size, which improves workflow and prevents eye strain. You finish by testing real tasks. Move windows, snap them, and run a short video to check for flicker. If a display is missing, first reseat cables and swap ports, then reboot the laptop. Make sure drivers and firmware are current, and confirm the docking station firmware if used. If performance lags, lower resolution or change the refresh rate and check power settings to avoid GPU throttling. One key tip: if nothing shows, try connecting each monitor solo to isolate the faulty cable or port.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.